Alrighty, sorry my video cut off. So this is part 2. Let's finish number 2 that we were working on. So we decided it was division, and 1200 divided by 12. Okay. So for this one, you can use your multiplication chart in order to find multiples, or you guys are really good at using a top-bottom chart, so we can create one of those as well. So as you know, we would be using a top-bottom chart for the number 12, right? Top, bottom. So we would go down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's a little messy, so this would be 0, and then it starts off with 12, 24, 36, I don't know why it's hard to make 3, 36, 48, and then 60. Okay, so there's our top bottom chart. So I see the number 12 and I see the number 12. Okay, how many times does 12 go into 12? It goes once. So our top number, as it says right here, is 1. You're going to put that over the 2. And then if our top number is 1, then our bottom number is 12, right? So 12 minus 12 is 0. Bring down our next number. It's a 0. How many times does 12 go into 0? 0 times. So our top number is 0. And our bottom number is 0. 0. We're going to bring down our 0 again. Let me move our screen up a little bit. Okay, bring down our 0. Again, how many times does 12 go into 0? 0 times, so our top and our bottom numbers are 0. And 0 minus 0, we are done. Okay, so our final answer was 100, and our answer was D. Okay, so remember that the important resources for you guys to use is your keywords for math problems. I'll go ahead and post another one because this one's a little blurry. Your hundreds chart, your multiplication chart. You can make top-bottom charts, as well as using a calculator if your teachers have been letting you use it all year. Okay, so again, you can find all of this under math resources. Okay, so keywords for word problems, multiplication chart, hundreds chart. And then good luck, and let me know if you need anything.